Hi guys, welcome back to Dub Chinese. 我係老師 Gloria. Today we are going to learn a common response. No thanks. Pay attention to my tone. No thanks. When someone that you don't know much about and they offer you something that you don't like, you can use this. 唔使啦唔該. 唔使啦唔該 or 不用了謝謝 in Mandarin. Let's see how to use it in foreign dialogues. Let's say right now you are a customer. 靚女，你揾緊咩啊？我哋而家有隻新款喎，我帶你去睇下。
唔使啦，唔該，我自己睇下先啦。
Dialogue 2. When an awful day comes to an end.
你住邊㗎？我送你返屋企。
唔使啦，唔該，我自己搭地鐵就得㗎啦。And when your aunt tries to set you up with someone.
喂，我介紹個男仔俾你識啊，實啱你㗎。唔使啦，唔該。
And in reality.
好啊好啊，你推我俾佢啊，定係佢加我啊？
Be careful, you should use these expressions to someone that you don't care and that you want to show your indifference to. If you really want to express you don't need it, then you could use this one. 唔使啦，唔好啦 Plus, use one or two sentences to explain. For example, when you are a guest.
阿姨啊，我嚟揾晴晴㗎，坐下先啦。咁耐嘅，我斟杯水俾你啦。唔使啦，唔使客氣啦，我一陣就走㗎啦。
Or you could use 唔使啦，唔該 to a close friend. For example, if my sister learns to cook some delicacy and asks me to try, I would say
唔使啦，唔該，食咗可能會肚屙啦。
That's what we learned today. Hope you have already understand this one. No thanks. 唔使啦，唔該 or 唔好啦，咪啦 Tones are important in this situation. These expressions will give different meanings when you use different tone. If you would like to watch behind the scene of this video, you can sign up the membership of my YouTube channel, Dub Chinese with Gloria, and I will post some different notes there. If you want to learn something daily, you could also subscribe my YouTube channel, Dub Chinese with Gloria. And if you want to know more, you could become my patron on Patreon. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.
Test, test, test. Hello? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
I was dancing with the green screen.
Oh no.
Oh damn it, I look so ugly. Gosh, come on. For example, when you are a guest, that's what we learned today. Plus, use one or two sentences to explain. For example, when you are a guest, that's what we learned today.